Christopher, what are you doing? Filtering water? Purifying water.
Basically filtering.
Well, it's Friday morning. It's our last day in Colorado. Christopher and I overnighted last night. Had a long ride. We were tired. We covered, we think, 14 lineal miles, but then all the backtracking we did, probably even a little more. And we set up camp at this awesome campsite. Christopher picked it. Had water access, grass. We'll have to find out what the name of this river is. And we got what we asked for. No rain. Well, a couple sprinkles, but no rain. I think we both slept pretty good. The tent's right over there. You can just barely see it. The horses are staked out and we highlined them right over there. Actually, I think you can see a little bit of the highline in the background there.